Hi! In front of me is OPPO FIND X5 LITE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings and scroll down, then click on battery section. Now you need to scroll down again and click on advanced settings. Following that, click on this gray switcher next to high performance mode and choose OK in the pop-up. As you can see, higher performance is now enabled. If you wish to disable it, you can always do that by clicking on the switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!